friends, I'm back, but look where I am, the nursery at Home Depot. So let's go inside and take a look and see what they have. Look how beautiful these are. The weather's finally turning here. Look at this euphorbia. Isn't that nice? It's the one I have in the patio. So pretty. And it's all on one stump. Right now is the time for bougainvilleas. They are just in bloom everywhere here. Such a great plant, hardy plant to have here.
Attention Home Depot associates. Let's congratulate Joni.
Yay, congratulations!
Way to go, Joni!
Yay, way to go, Joni! Look how pretty these are. And they're $25. They look in pretty good shape. We had a rain recently, a couple days ago, so they look pretty healthy. Bigger succulents. Fang. Hoping my aloes bloom this year. I haven't bloomed the last couple of years. Hummingbirds here love this. Puntias, how big they are. Big pads. Eve's needles. I have one at home that I need to repot. It is in such a little tiny pot. These are $17, but they're pretty big. And I have some elephant bush up there hanging, the variegated ones. That's one thing about elephant bush, they do make really good hanging plants. This is a type of kalanchoe. Oh, let me get my glasses on. $60. Kalanchoe beharensis. Something, yeah. It's huge, $60. And there's one stump in there. Oh, look at there. Desert roses. I'm gonna get another one. $25, but they're big. These are nice. They have a lot of larger succulents. Plumerias there. I want one of those too. Oh, those are the flowers that you make lace from. Oh, how much is this barrel cactus right here? $100 for that big baby. It's illegal to take them from the deserts out here. Saguaros, barrel cactus, all of that. You cut one of those out from the desert, you get a nice little fine. So even though we may have a lot out in the desert, you cannot go out and pick them yourself. Oh, these plumerias are beautiful. Look at those leaves. And they're out in full sun here. See the flower there? These are the flowers that they make lace from. Yeah. Yeah. Look at this baby. Before lactea crested. Graft. But these are big. $20. Look at the color on them. They're out here in full sun. So that's why the purple on them. It's the stress from the sun. But I haven't seen them grafted this big. And in this form, I've seen the ones that are flatter. Another euphorbia. I can't even pronounce that. Xylophyloides. Huh? Yeah. Thank you. Oh, look at this. Totem pole cactus. My little one's doing great. It's getting arms on it that I got from the cutting from the cactus show last year. That's how mine will get. Yeah, you can see where they've taken arms off. These are really easy to get cuttings from and propagate.
What kind of video are you making?
A YouTube channel
Oh, really?
for plants and stuff. So just making a shop with me channel
Okay.
video.
Awesome. Sorry, I don't mean to interrupt.
No,
you.
no.
That's awesome.
Thank you. I have like over 6,000 subscribers, you know.
You almost 1,000?
6,000.
6,000?
Yeah.
What's it cost?
Carmen Whitehead. It's just under my name, Carmen Whitehead.
I'll have to check it out.
Okay,
When will this
Scott.
video go up?
Probably tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
All right. Maybe I'll be on YouTube.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks, you too. I'm a YouTube star. Quiet, Kristen. Nobody asked you. Love these. These would be great. I had thought about putting a tree in the patio and putting it in one of these. I know that sounds weird, putting a tree on my balcony, but I thought it would be a good idea. Yeah, people do it. Let's go over and look at the smaller cactus. Oh, there's another Kalanchoe baharensis. Now these are the drop and decorate ones. You just drop this into a container. And these are a little bit less than those other ones, I think. Yeah, these are $20, whereas the other ones had a container. They're $25. Oh, look at this one. It's got a euphorbia in the center. Oh, it's dreams. This is a good deal right here because it's got a lot of plants that are hardy and unique. String of beads, euphorbia, great color. $20, that's a good deal. Whoever's designing these is doing a good job, I think, of selecting them. The Echeveria there, nice and big. Let's look at the smaller ones. These are $3.33. The smaller 2-inch pot ones. Some Echeverias there, Kalanchoes. The colors on these are really brilliant right now because of the sun. These Kalanchoes. Grass grafted cactus. I was never a big fan of these. I don't know. Just never liked them. Here's some smaller cacti. And they look like they're in good shape. Oh, and a good sized little crown of thorns here. These are, oh, this is a good price, $4.50. These grow pretty fast. That's nice. Some more containers that are already ready to go. These are a little more because they already have them in containers, so they're $30. Hanging one. And some more smaller ones. Oh, I like these. I have several of these and they do so well on the balcony. Are Cereus peruvianus monstros. Really nice. This Kalanchoe. Tubiflora, the tubular kind. The little plantlets on the end. Watch chain. Some more crown of thorns. This one's nice here. Has a Kalanchoe in the center there. The thing that cannot be good for the plant. When will they stop doing that? So they've got a pretty good selection of succulents here at this Home Depot. Now the weather's going down. It's getting a lot more. Okay, we're inside now. Let's see what they have. Bromeliads in a clay pot, $6.48. Nice big Sansevierias here. In a nice pot. Can't quite see how much they are. Oh, $48. Wow. Okay. So up top here, Marantas, your usual suspects here. Arrowhead plant, pothos, ivy, Duncan. Oh, they've got some nice looking ZZ plants here. These are big. $25. They're pretty big. I don't know if I put $25 though. Oh, I love this. That's a nice looking rubber tree variegated, $25. I would pay that for this. Especially when it has that many stumps, branches. Nice selection of Sansevierias though. Really tall. Ew, look at this fiddle leaf. Looks like it's been damaged. Something. I don't know what. It's the water, if it's these lights. It's a big one there. Mini tree. Seems like they're doing a lot more plants that are already potted, kind of saving you the trouble of finding a pot and going through the repotting process. So that's good if you're looking for something that you don't have to repot. Dracaenas, more smaller Sansevierias. These are $12.98. And rubber trees, $25. These are a little bit smaller. That variegated one was a better deal. Dracaenas. Oh, this alocasia's seen better days. Look at this baby. Look at this Monstera here. It's already in a pot, so you don't have to worry about repotting this big guy. But he's $48. I don't know. $48 and it's already potted, and look how big it is. I would maybe pay that. Oh, Croutons. Look at this brilliant color. I don't know. I have not had luck with these because these need more humidity than I can give them. If I had a humidifier or something to put near them, would. But if you're looking for some patio fall decoration, this would be good. It's $25. That's good. Look how pretty that looks. It almost looks like a fall forest leaves. And some smaller Sansevierias, more Dracaenas, and then here they have the rest of the fiddle leaf fig trees. They're in pretty good shape because it's giving off new leaves. So can't see a price on these big ones. And I do have some Halloween ones here. These are cute if you're into like Dia de los Muertos, the Day of the Dead celebrations. It's cute. And then they have some that are already planted. Again, another neon plant. Oh, this is cute. $9 for the little pumpkin one. Oh, this is cute. Very Arizona looking. Route 66 goes across northern Arizona. That is $7. Oh, these are cute. These terracotta pots to put out in your garden, patio. These are $25. These are cute. Look at, these are blooming. Oh, little emojis. That's cute. These would make great little cubicle plants, you know, a gift to a friend. Put in their cubicle work space. Focus. $23 already potted, ready to go. Quite a few plants in there. Again, got quite a few in here. String of buttons, sedums, spearheads. Assorted tropical foliage, $60. Okay, here we go. So the fiddle leaf figs are $60, along with these larger dracaenas. $60. Pretty good shape. There you go, friends. That's what's happening at the Home Depot here in Chandler. So they're getting a lot more plants in, a lot more succulents. I've seen a lot more pots that are already potted, so you don't have to do the repotting yourself. So that's nice. Okay. Thanks, friends, for joining me. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. You never know where I'll turn up next. So you want to make sure you're notified by ringing that bell. Okay? See you all soon. Have a blessed day, friends.